Can you show Mama? What page is that? That's a good page. Is that where the babies are? Are those babies or are those kids? What are those? Are they babies or kids? What do you want to show me? What?
Mama.
Where are you going?
Baby.
Babe? Are you saying Baba, Abba?
Mama.
What else can you say? Can you say blueberry? Is that your nice doggy? Can you say blueberry?
Baby.
Good job. Can you say baby? Daisy, can you say baby? Des.
Baby.
Good job, Des.
Baby.
Baby. What you doing? Oh, you want to do some coloring? Yeah. You want to do coloring? Yeah. Okay, we'll do some coloring. Let's go get the crayons. Where are the crayons? Where are the crayons? Are they under there? Are they inside there? They're in there? Yeah, they're in the bottom? Okay, we'll open that. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Daisy? Okay.